Hello everyone! This is Renalyn Arellano from BSEDEN Main 1, and today we are going to tackle about the varieties of language. But before we proceed, let us define first the varieties of language. Varieties of language is a language that refers to the various form of language that triggered by social factors. When the language change regional, individually, social, and in any situation, the changes will result as a varieties of language. So now, let us proceed to the subcategories of varieties of language. Number 1. Dialect. Dialect is a subdivision of language used by a group of people in a particular region or geographical differences. The dialect exists because a group of people share their common linguistic behavior. There are two types of dialect, regional and social dialect. Regional dialect is a distinct form of a language spoken in a certain geographical area. In short, their differences is influenced by geography. The grammar, accent, and vocabulary differences is considered as a regional dialect. Social dialect is a form of language related to the social group of the speaker, such as education, occupation, and so on. It is also known as socialect, which is thought of as being related to its speaker's social background rather than geographical background. There are many factors affecting social dialect, such as education, gender, age, religion, occupation, cultural background, and many more. The second one is idiolect. Idiolect is a specific person's unique way of speaking. It is an individual's distinctive and unique use of language, including speech. Idiolect is the way which a particular person uses language as personal dialect or variety. So what is the difference between idiolect and dialect? Dialect is a group of people's own version of language, while idiolect is much more smaller than dialect because idiolect is the way a certain person speaks at a specific time compared to others. Linguists generally use this term when describing variances in speech from one individual to another. The last one is socialect. Socialect is a variety of language characteristic of a social background or status. This is way how the individual speak to a social group. Socialect is distinguished by social activity that the same individual may speak different socialects. A socialect can be distinguished in terms of grammar, phonology, lexicon, and so on. There are also several factors that influence the style of language, including socioeconomic status, age, occupation, and gender.